Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel once again. Today in this video I'll tell you about 2-point perspective. In my last video I have explained 1-point perspective. If you have not seen that video, the link is in my description box and go and check that video. And today I'll tell you 2-point perspective. 2-point perspective. So same like 1-point perspective, you have to place one line, you have to draw one line on your paper. It can be up to the eye level or it can be low to the eye level. This is your eye level. Now in 1-point perspective there is one vanishing point. In 2-point perspective there are two vanishing points. So we'll place one dot here, that will be vanishing point, and we'll give it the name A. Now here we'll place one more point, this will called B, right? So this is one vanishing point, this is B vanishing point. Now what we have to do, we have to put one point in the center of the paper, and then we have to draw one line, little upper and little lower, right? So now if I'll tell you how to draw a box in 2-point perspective, that will be the easy method to understand. So suppose we want to make a box here, and we have taken the length of the box is this much. So now we have this point. What we have to do is same like 1-point perspective, all the horizontal lines or diagonal lines will meet the vanishing point, and same we'll do with this, and this line will join this side, right? So this is, now if I want this should be the width of my box, so I'll join this point also with the vanishing point B and the vanishing point A, right? This is the side of my box. Now my all vertical lines will be parallel to the vertical line, and all horizontal lines will be parallel to the horizontal line. So what we'll do, I'll decide the width of my box is this much, and from this side I will draw a parallel line to the central line. So I am taking this much. So this line should be parallel of this line. So that is why we have drawn the line in the center. Now we get two more points, this point and this point. Now what we have to do, we have to join this point with the A vanishing point and this point to the B vanishing point. So let's do it. You have to do it very carefully. Your all lines should meet on your. So can you see the shape of the box? Now I'll just clear it. This is the side of my box. Please use scale for that. And this is my box. You can see how much this is accurate because it's all lines are meeting to the vanishing point. So this box is on the upper eye level. So if you want to draw a box here, this side, what you have to do is same process you have to follow. I will meet this point with the A and this point with the B, right? And I'll decide this much of the width of my box. Then again I'll join these points to the B and A vanishing point, right? And same like that, I'll decide the width of my box. So that should be parallel to this line. So I am doing like this, and from this side I will keep little bit long. Same we have to do, we'll get 2 points, this one and this one, and we have to join it with the opposite vanishing point. Like this point we have to join with A, and this point we have to join with B vanishing point. So the boxes are at on the low eye level, right? This is a box and it is, I will dark the edges so you can see it is in the shape of a brick, same as you can draw the brick. So this is your 2-point perspective. This is the accurate box which is drawn in 2-point perspective. So same, if I want to draw a box somewhere else, we can do the same thing. If I want to make a box this side, so what will I do? I'll take this parallel line this side and draw a line. Same I will do, we'll get 2 points. We'll join this edge with this vanishing point, and this edge with A vanishing point, right? And this with the same process we'll follow, and this one will this. Now decide the width of the box. I'll draw one line this side which will be parallel to this line, and here I'll join with one line which will be parallel to this line. So you can do it like this, right? Again we got 2 points, and we have to join with this one. Same we have to follow the process of the opposite joining, and this we'll join with this one. This is also on the up eye level. Now I'll dark it so that you will be able to see the box easily. Or this is 2-point perspective. So can you see? We are able to see the 3 sides of this box. This is upward to the eye level. This is box number 1. And same, we can see the 3 sides of this box. This is box number 2. And this we can see box number 3. So in this method you can draw such type of boxes through 2-point perspective. Hope you have liked the video, and if you like, please give a like to the video, and if you are new, then subscribe to my channel. And when the coming video, I'll tell you how to draw a building, house, or anything else in 2-point perspective. So thanks for watching.